I mean, hands down, one of the most incredible experiences I've ever had, not only with skill building and learning something new, which is always humbling, but also being able to get together with a group of badass women and learn this stuff and hands-on and get dirty and in this beautiful, beautiful place. It's undescribable.
I'm like beyond mind blown at how transformative this experience has been.
The teachers here are phenomenally knowledgeable.
The environment is really conducive to learning because the teachers are very caring. They worry about your safety, which is not something that's common in this field. Yeah, it's wonderful.
The classroom space is spectacular. It has such a beautiful view while you're listening to people share their knowledge. It's really beautiful. It's just a gorgeous environment.
It was really empowering, I feel like, because I didn't even know what a square was until I got here, and now, oh my gosh, it is everything.
The teachers here have been really awesome. They have the perfect level of serious and getting things done, but also adding that humor and fun to things.
The community that has been formed here with our group and the friendships that I've made and the experiences that I've had, this has been no exaggeration, life-changing. I might become a carpenter after this.
I felt so included. I felt so taken care of by the community, by the teachers, by the staff, making sure that I felt safe and, you know, given a voice as well and brought in to participate.
I learned so much. I just thought it was a great experience.
You get to meet some awesome people. The people I've met here have just been like some great friendships I'm excited to take with me. The instructors are so great. They're patient, they're kind, they don't make you feel stupid. Let's just say that. They really make you feel like comfortable to learn, and you learn how to trust yourself and learning that, like, yeah, I could totally build this house. Like, I could totally do this myself. They give you that self-confidence, and I'm just having a great time. I'm so happy I'm here.
I was very nervous just to see like who's gonna be here, how is it gonna vibe, because I've been in classes where people kind of like take over or like kind of leave some people out, and I feel like there was space for everyone, and it was really, really enjoyable.
Everyone was so accepting. Every single person had a story to tell. Everybody just welcomed everybody with open arms, and everybody left here with hugs. I feel like I just received a whole new family in 5 days. That's how awesome it was.
Everybody was so nice and so welcoming, and I just felt like one of the crew.
Wild Abundance really draws amazing people from around the country, and again, like, it's such a welcoming environment that I've felt so nurtured here, and that makes me really excited to learn and express myself.
We often kind of get stuck in this position in life where we're just doing kind of the same things. We are following a career path, and we're not really sitting in discomfort and trying new things that are really scary or make your brain work in a little bit of a different way.
There were some people who had quite a lot of experience and they still seemed to learn a lot, and then there were a lot more folks like me who had a little bit or almost none, and it was accessible for everyone.
I work remotely, and it can be a lot to be behind my computer all day, and this, to me, just the whole experience of being here felt really inspiring, and also I think I learned a lot more with that hands-on, tactile learner that I am.
I went the YouTube route. I did the whole thing where, you know, you watch these kinds of videos for hours and you think you have a decent idea of how it works. Yeah, getting to do it will make you feel a lot more comfortable than just like starting from scratch, because there are so many mistakes you will make, and it's a lot probably more cost effective to make them here.
I've always wanted to do a lot of DIY things, but didn't enjoy poring over YouTube videos and still feeling confused. So so finding this workshop, it's just been incredible.
I'm coming out of it feeling confident that I can start different projects on my own without wondering, what am I going to do? What do I not know? Because after taking this class, I really feel like I know what I should be knowing to build something.
I have this sense of autonomousness now where I can take an idea, in the mental space and turn it into something physical. And that's been really cool to be able to create.
I'm really excited of just feeling more confident in my ability to potentially plan a project from start to finish, and instead of always having to rely on plans I find online, but being able to actually create my own plan that is applicable to what I need to do.
I love how I know how to size things now, buy my own wood, and build it out. I pushed myself to come and I'm so glad I did.
It's a level of empowerment that you can't get anywhere else, and just creating this great bond with other women.
Everyone left stronger, more confident, and we're going to keep in contact with each other.
Definitely met some great new friends.
I expected it to be wonderful, but it was somehow even more indifferent than I expected. Yeah, it was over the top.
Being actually on the campus of Wild Abundance is super inspiring.
The way that it's all been mapped out and utilized in the most efficient way for the people and for the land and for the plants and for the inhabitants of these woods. It's beautiful.
The community here and the support and the way people interact with each other and the instructors interact with students, I think is just really empowering, and that's been a really great experience for me.
It was just beautiful to see what everybody's motive was in coming and just how empowered everyone felt and how much all of us wish we had done it way sooner. So there was a lot of sweet bonding that happened.
It's one of the best learning environments I've been in terms of promoting curiosity and learning from mistakes and just feeling really comfortable to put oneself out there so you get the most out of the class.
I like the structure of how it was designed to maximize our ability to learn, and for different types of learners too. It's like, all right, let's get it. You don't feel rushed. Even though it's 4 days and I learned a lot, I didn't feel rushed, and which is really a good sign of good teaching. So I'm just really glad that I came.
Don't wait to learn these skills. I feel like they're important to get through life.
General experience has been one that I would consider for myself to be life-changing.
Mentally, spiritually, and then in the end it was physically. I don't know, it was like all a gift.
It's just magical. It's just magical being around so many women who are so willing to be authentic with each other.
They were sweet, gritty women with heart and spirit. They just made me enthusiastic about the next generation. I feel like I'm leaving the world in really good hands.
Everyone should come to Wild Abundance at some point because it's just such a wonderful place to learn. I can't express my gratitude enough for it.
If someone's thinking about doing this, take a chance. Couldn't recommend it more. This is just a wonderful, absolutely amazing experience with wonderful people, wonderful teachers. I don't think you'll be disappointed.
I want to shout it from the rooftops, come to Wild Abundance.